Hey everyone, and welcome to Homeidea channel. Today we're taking a trip to Phoenix, Arizona to see a truly special home project by the Ranch Mine. This project wasn't your typical renovation. It was a surprise for the homeowner's wife. Let's dive in and see how this amazing home came to life. In 2020, the Ranch Mine received a unique request from a family in Phoenix. They'd outgrown their ranch house in the Arcadia neighborhood after having 3 children in 8 years, and they wanted a modern dream home. But there was a twist. The husband wanted it to be a surprise for his wife. The Ranch Mine had their work cut out for them, keeping the design a secret while capturing the family's vision. The design for the new home is a beautiful blend of modern and functionality. The main house features black brick volumes with large sliding glass doors that open up to the front and backyards on the first floor. A white stucco box sits on top, creating a contemporary feel. Wood accents highlight the entryway and outdoor access points, adding warmth to the modern design. The first floor includes the main living areas, the master suite, a guest bedroom, and a gym. Upstairs, you'll find all the kids' bedrooms, a den, a dedicated homework area, and a laundry room. The property also features a detached guest house, perfect for visiting grandparents. This wheelchair-accessible space ensures comfort and independence for all family members. The guest house placement creates a charming courtyard around the existing pool, which the family specifically requested to be preserved. The Ranch Mine's surprise project turned out to be a huge success. They delivered a stunning multi-generational home that perfectly suits this family's lifestyle. From the open living spaces to the thoughtful details, this home is a testament to the power of collaboration and the importance of family. If you're looking for inspiration for your own dream home project, be sure to stay tuned for more amazing content like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Homeidea channel for more architecture and design videos.